Okay, welcome back everyone to Punlok Engineer. Today I would like to review about this one. This one is the main distribution panel that I call is this one is medium voltage, maybe 22 kilovolt. Yes, and also this one it has a SCADA at the top of the pole, and this one is the Fuji Electric 400 Calbe-w kilovolt amperance, and this one is boot, and also everyone can be see that it provide for it convert from the MV voltage to extra low voltage by the transfer, and also have from the transfer to the full zip, and the full zip is 2 kilowatt hour, and the kilowatt hour is divided to all the building at the at the apartment or the something like that. Okay, thank you very much for your paying attention with my video that provide all of you about the knowledge of electrical and electronic engineering. So God will be bless all of you with the good luck. Thank you very much.